We want to solve the following quadratic equation. Z squared minus 6z plus 10 is equal to 0. Remember the quadratic formula. For ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Applying this to our quadratic, we get that z is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of minus 6 all squared, take away 4 times 1 times 10. All divided by 2 times 1. This gives us 6 plus or minus the square root of 36, take away 40, all divided by 2, which is 6 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 divided by 2. Root minus 4, using our knowledge of surds, can be written as root 4 root minus 1. This is 2i. So this becomes 6 plus or minus 2i, all divided by 2, giving us 3 plus or minus I. So we have the roots. Z is equal to 3 plus I and 3 minus I. Note how these are conjugate. The conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I. Whenever we have a polynomial, if one root is complex, another root will be its conjugate, provided the coefficients of the polynomial are real numbers.